How can you make $500 per day as a developer? First, find a niche problem within the WordPress community. Second, develop a WordPress plugin that solves this problem. Third, set a pricing plan for your plugin. Fourth, list the free version of your plugin to WordPress.org and other repositories like WPHive. Fifth, list the pro version of your plugin on marketplaces like CodeCanyon. Sixth, start driving additional traffic to your plugin by creating content on your social media account. If you want to take the extra step, you can run super discounts for your pro version during festive seasons. Seventh, create a clear documentation describing how to set up and configure your plugin easily. For example, a product installation doc and a detailed documentation of different features of your plugin. 8. Set up a support team to take care of your customers' feedback, complaints and issues so that they'll be happy and they'll keep coming back. Follow for more.